ऑस्ट्रेलिया में लॉकडाउन के खिलाफ मुजाहरे। एंटी लॉकडाउन मुजाहिरीन ने ऑस्ट्रेलिया के बड़े शहरों में एहतजाज जुलूस निकाले। हफ्ते की दोपहर हजारों नाराज बेनकाब अफराद ने सिडनी के मरकजी कारोबारी इलाकों में तालाबंदी को ख़त्म करने का मुतालबा किया। लॉकडाउन जो कि 5वें हफ्ते में दाखिल हुआ है। मुजाहिरीन के मुंतशिर होने के बाद न्यू साउथ वेल्स के पुलिस वजीर डेविड एलॉयट ने सुपर स्प्रेडर्स प्रोग्राम में 3,500 मुजाहिरीन में से हर एक की शिनाख्त के लिए एक खुसूसी फोर्स का क़याम का ऐलान किया है। डेविड एलॉयट ने बताया कि 57 अफराद को गिरफ्तार किया जा चुका है।
I'm also announcing the formation of Strike Force Seasoned, which will see 22 detectives work from now until whenever it concludes, identifying as many people as possible who attended today's incident and have them charged. So far, more than 90 infringements have been issued. 57 people have been charged, some of them with multiple offences. What we saw today were 3,500 very selfish bullheads, people that thought that the law didn't apply to them. There is no doubt in my mind that at least one individual there today had COVID. It is statistically impossible for us not to consider that. I'm appealing to all 3,500 people to go and get tested tomorrow, if not for themselves, for their sake of their families and their friends. This selfish, inappropriate behaviour is what is going to continue this city into lockdown. It cannot go on. We will certainly be seeing a number of people contacted by police from tonight to have to answer for themselves and their behaviour, and particularly the ringleaders. My heart goes out to the many officers that were injured today. Some of them appear to be seriously injured, but at the moment, most of the injuries from police have been minor. But of course, over the course of the evening, we will see more and more officers return from this particular operation. And there's no doubt in my mind, some of them have paid a very high price for the work that they have done today. The appeal is simple. If you don't want to be in lockdown, obey the rules. This is not a time for us to push the envelope, not a time for us to game the system. This is a time for us to all be at home, get tested, get our jab, and then we can get on with life. Nobody wants to see this city in lockdown for a moment longer than is necessary. Not the government, not the community, certainly not the police force. Can I also pay tribute to the many people today that have done the right thing? What we have seen across the state is actually quite a fairly high level of compliance, and that's fantastic, and that needs to continue. The New South Wales government is working from right now to bring forward any easing of restrictions that we possibly can, but it won't occur while we have people like we saw today doing the wrong thing. It won't occur when we have people like we saw today making sure that their voice is heard through illegal activities. I'm hoping that we issue 3,500 infringement notices. I'm hoping that we have people before the court, and I really hope we can get some charges and convictions out of today's work by the New South Wales Police. It's essential for people to get the message, and those that are calling for it to occur again next week, look out, because these 400 officers will turn into 4,000 if needs be. I'll now hand over to the Deputy Commissioner.
And thinks she can lock out the West. We run Sydney. We run the West. Fucking Gladys. You stay in the East, Gladys. You stay in the East because you have no idea what
These areas to us. These are ours.
You may be a wog, but you don't know what it is to be a wog.
No, she was a wog.
Love you, Gladys.
Dynamic Success the Junior College. Enter to win. Masters in MPC and BPC. Integrated coaching for NEET, IIT, JEE. Separate block for girls. Better coaching, better planning, better environment with better results. Opposite Madanapet Mandi, Saeedabad, Hyderabad. Phone 04029701124. An Institute of Success Schools.